Good Thursday. Oh, this is a fun one. It's Chef BOY-AR-DEE beef ravioli stuffed bell peppers from 1963. The original recipe is in the description. We're going to change it up just a tiny bit. The original recipe just has 3 ingredients: bell peppers, Parmesan cheese, and ravioli. We're going to add some mozzarella cheese. Talk about this in a second. Cut the green peppers in half, put ravioli in it, top it with Parmesan cheese, bake it covered for 30 minutes. I don't know if you've ever grated these. I don't know if you've ever grated these. I don't know if you ever grated these cheese sticks, but they make great melted mozzarella cheese. And I have tried to use whole milk, but the part skimmed just melts better, so we're going to use that. Link above to the original video. What's our plan? I want to put a little bit of sauce in the baking dish. I don't know if we have enough. If we don't have enough sauce, I'm just going to spread some spaghetti sauce on the baking dish because I want some sauce on the bottom. We're baking it. We're going to top it with a little Parmesan and the mozzarella. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. Clearly, the vintage picture made them look very red. I'm gonna add a little spaghetti sauce just to get a little bit of that redness going. Just a little before we top it with mozzarella. That vintage picture made them look beautifully red and crusty. Don't skimp on the mozzarella.
I'm not skipping on the mozzarella. Come on. Kill it. Wow.
Chef BOY-AR-DEE. Even the print ad had 3 raviolis per green pepper. Let's take a bite, man. Chef BOY-AR-DEE. Oh, it's hot. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna burn my mouth. Here we go. Green pepper is a little al dente, but it's not too al dente. So that's good. We didn't get much ravioli with that. Let's try this. Let's see if we can get a real piece of Chef BOY-AR-DEE stuffed peppers. Mmm. Mmm. Not much ravioli there. Here's the good thing. I usually eat 1 can of ravioli easy, right? It even says on the can 1 serving. This will make that can last twice as long. You'll get 2 servings out of this. Easy. Let's top it off with just a little sauce. Little bit. 1963. I only got ravioli on that one. Oh, a tiny bit of green pepper. Full disclosure, the sauce I used was Hunt's Traditional in a can, and it helps. I really like it with the green pepper, I have to say. I really do. That's just 6 ravioli. I'm going to be very full when I'm done. You know, give Chef BOY-AR-DEE 1963 credit for that, though. This is going to be quite satisfyingly filling. Cut that down a little bit. What is today? Hey! Thanks for joining me this Thursday. You know what I'm going to say? What I'm going to say? Thanks for watching!